540 kilometer border area and 540 kilometer unfenced. Mamata Banerjee not provided adequate land to the BSF. The MLA Farakka is participated PFI program. The Simi leader Ahmed Hassan Imran, Mamata Banerjee sent him to Rajya Sabha. Directly PFI, Simi, Ansarul Bangla with Trinamool. Trinamool is anti-national. Mamata Banerjee is completely anti-national. She did it to save her vote bank. Last parliament election, Mothabadi, Farakka and Samsarganj, TMC lost the battle. For that reason, they are repairing their Muslim vote bank with the name of Waqf Amendment Bill. The Hindus are tortured, Hindus are shelterless. We want President's rule on the eve of the assembly election to save Rashtrapati.